Hi, my name's Katie and I'm a 19-year-old apprentice groom, and this is my horse Friday, 6-year-old trotter. Together we mainly do dressage together, but we also love our jumping. About 3 years ago, Friday was found loose on a main road where she'd been pegged for 3 years of her life. My local riding school actually took her on and gave me the opportunity to ride her and to look after her. A year later, I was actually able to officially buy Friday, and our journey began into our ridden work, as previously she'd only been used as a cart horse and was only broke to pace and not to canter. When we first started schooling, our biggest challenge was definitely learning how to canter, as previously she'd only paced before and had no clue how to canter around the school. With time though, she finally got it, and we're now able to canter happily around the school and in between jumps. Unfortunately, this previous year, Friday was diagnosed with stomach ulcers and equine asthma. It put us out of work for a few months whilst we worked to plan how to manage it and make sure that she was happy and healthy whilst we were schooling her. We would like to take part in All Star Academy to show it doesn't matter what horse you have or what breed they are, any horse can make a good all-rounder with the right amount of time and effort put into them.